Hey guys, it's Faye and this is Day with Faye. Today I'm going to be doing yet another Kylie Cosmetics swatch video. I got some lip kits from the buy one get one free from Cinco de Mayo. And one of them I already had. It was Surprise Me Velvet, but I'm not going to be doing that one because I already did a velvet swatch for that. By the way, all my similar videos are linked down below if you want to check those out. And as always, there are timestamps in the description below if you only want a specific piece of information. I got you. So I picked up 3 new shades. I picked up One Wish, I picked up Show Off, and Shady. I'm also going to be doing some swatch comparisons for One Wish and Show Off, just looking at comments of what people thought were similar or what they wanted to see next to it. If this is your first time seeing me, I would love for you to subscribe. I try to post videos every Wednesday and Friday, and yeah. So first up we have One Wish, and One Wish is a dusty pink nude. When I think of this shade, it reminds me of that Ray J song that was like, if I had one wish, we'd be best friends, love never end. I don't know the lyrics. So, I really like this shade a lot. I am curious to see how it compares to Koko K and how it compares to Candy K. So, there will be a swatch comparison for this in a second. But I think it is a very beautiful color and I'm excited to see how the other ones turn out. So above One Wish is Koko K. And Koko K is a little bit lighter than One Wish. And One Wish is also nudier, I would guess. That's how I would describe it. And below One Wish is Candy K, which is darker and more pinky. Alright, next up we have Show Off, which is a coral terracotta. So I love this shade. I think this is such a beautiful summer color. People said that it was similar to Party Girl, so I'm gonna definitely check that out. But I remember when I put Party Girl, it was too light. Like, it was a lot lighter and kind of just didn't work with my fair skin. But I definitely do think that Show Off does work well with my skin. So very excited to wear this throughout this summer, and you know, honestly, like, all the time, because I live in Miami and it's like summer and spring the whole time. Alright, next I wanted to compare Show Off to Party Girl. Party Girl is obviously much more vibrant, much more neon in your face, whereas Show Off is more muted and has more of a terracotta vibe to it than Party Girl. Next up we have Shady, which is a rich slate gray. I got it because it was part of the BOGO. And I got Sprinkle Velvet, which I had in mini form. I was like, let's just get this because YOLO, it's my free one, and we'll see how it looks on fair skin. I'm personally terrified. Okay, so obviously the shade is very unique and very different and kind of weird, but honestly I am feeling it. I think that let me take my sleeve down. I think that I would wear this with like maybe a more gray look or a more dramatic look, and I would wear this at the club and it's like, don't mess with me because I got a dramatic look on, don't talk to me because I'm engaged, but that doesn't People don't see your hand, they see your face first, so this explains that situation. But anyways, I'm really surprised at how much I like this. Usually, I don't know, I shy away from crazy colors, but maybe I should go more towards them, but I'm dipping my toe in. Okay, so that was everything. Thanks so much, guys, for watching. I really appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch this. I hope it was informational for you, and if it was, give me a thumbs up. And I hope you guys have a really good rest of your day. Bye!